The subject of the statue is David, as in David versus Goliath. You'd be amazed at how many people don't realize that this is actually a representation of the biblical figure from the first book of Samuel. The artist, of course, is Michelangelo, and it took him nearly 3 years to the day to complete the carving of the sculpture. He signed the contract in August of the year 1501, and the sculpture was unveiled on September 8th of the year 1504. And he signed that contract with the building committee of Florence Cathedral, because the originally intended location for the statue was on one of the back buttresses of Florence Cathedral, or about 85 feet above the ground. A very important thing for you to know, because it explains two of the most fundamental aspects of the statue right off the bat. First and most obvious of which is the size. Few people ask why Michelangelo carved the sculpture so large, and the answer, of course, is because they were planning on putting it on top of a gargantuan church. The second thing it explains is the disproportions of the statue, the most famous of which, despite what you might be thinking, are David's hands, both of which are oversized. Michelangelo essentially anticipating the distortion created by height by distorting himself.